Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show and discuss how we attach the screenshot in the Allure report for the Selenium and Python test. Okay, so here I have already created the test script. So I'm not going to create from scratch so that we can save the time. And if you want to go from scratch, so follow the my previous tutorial where I have shown step by step how we create the PyTest for the Selenium with Python. Here I am going to show only how we attach the screenshot, capture the screenshot and attach the in the report, okay, Allure report, and also how we set up, how we integrate the Allure report with the PyTest if you want to from scratch. So I have attached the links in the description. Go and watch first how we integrate the Allure report with the PyTest. Okay, so now let's see here how we attach the screenshot. So this step you can see here already added. So basically when we run the test, it will automatically log in into the orange HRM application, and then it will verify the dashboard menus options. Okay, now before going to verify the menus options, I'm going to capture the screenshot and then I will attach in uh, Allure report. So for that, first we need to use the Allure, right, dot attach method. Then here we need to provide the Selenium WebDriver to get the screenshot. Okay, get underscore screenshot as PNG. Okay, here we need to pass the name of the screenshot which will display on the uh, report. So I'm going to give the name of dashboard. Then third argument, we need to pass Allure. We need to pass attachment type, and then here we need to provide the attachment.png. So let's first import. So Allure common dot types attachment, and then use this attachment, and here use the png. So I'm going to capture the screenshot and attach into the png format, so that's why I added here attachment type as a png. So let me run. So if you want to run, just type the command pytest -k test name, and then Allure report. Here we need to pass Allure dir equal to reports. Okay, so test is running. After the execution, I will open the report. A test passed, run successfully. Okay, so let's run the Allure. To open the Allure report, we need to run command Allure serve and folder name. Okay, folder name is reports. Same reports folder name we need to pass what we have added here, reports. Okay, Allure double L-U-R-E. If I go in the report, in the test, you can see dashboard screen name is attached. If I expand this, you will see the report. Okay, so next I am going to show how we capture the screenshot for the failed test script. So let's comment this, and if we want to capture the screenshot for the failed test, right, then we need to write some code under the conf test file. Okay, So basically here we need to write some hooks. We need to implement some hook which will automatically run after the test, right? So let's see how we write. So you need to use PyTest dot hook implementation. We need to pass hook wrapper. Its value, let's pass here true. Then next we need to pass try first time equal to true. Okay. Then here let's create a method for the hook PyTest run test make report. Here pass the item. Basically this item, when this will trigger, then it will hold the uh, details into the item field, and the outcome basically we can get from the yield. Okay, so now in the using the outcome we can get the result. So outcome, there is a get result, then we can store this into a variable. Okay, so outcome dot get result, it will get the current method result. Now we can verify if result fail. Okay, then we can here attach the report. So let's copy the same code, right, this one, and paste here. Here we need to get the WebDriver object by using dot self cls. Okay, then in this way we can retrieve the WebDriver object, then call the get screenshot method. This is the name of the image, as well as this is the png type, right? And this is already imported here on the top. You can see attach type and then Allure. Now code is ready. This hook is implemented. When we run our test, if the test script fail, then it will automatically capture the screenshot of the failed test script. Let's and attach into the Allure report. So let me run the test. Okay. This time test script got failed. So if I open the report, so you will see there is no screenshot attached. Let's see. Here you can see screenshot is not attached anywhere. Okay, but let's make the test fail and you will see screenshot will attach. So I'm going to change this admin1. So verification will basically fail here, and you will also see the screenshot will attached into the report. Yeah, test script failed. You can see one failed, assertion error, admin. This is a failure. Let's open the report, and if I open here, you can see the test is failed. Let's see, go to the method, and this is the assertion error, you can see. And if I go in the test body, there is, you can see error is come displayed here with the screenshot. If I open, you will see the screenshot is attached. Okay, hope this approach will helpful to capture the screenshot and attached and link with the Allure report for failed test script, as well as if you want to capture the normal steps want to add the screenshot, then we can do directly in the steps. We can call this method. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the tutorial, click on the like button, subscribe to channel, and also share this tutorial to your friends and colleagues.